One common cause of the 403 forbidden error is an unverified Cash App account. When your account isn't fully verified with all required information like ID and contact details, the app restricts access to protect against fraud. Another cause is suspicious activity on your account. Cash App monitors for unusual behavior, such as rapid transactions or failed login attempts, which can trigger a 403 error while the account is under review. To prevent this, use your account normally and avoid actions that might appear risky. To avoid these issues, ensure your account is fully verified and monitor your activity to prevent flags. This helps maintain smooth access to Cash App features. Clearing the app's cache and data can remove corrupted files that may be mimicking forbidden access and causing the 403 error. This is a common fix that often resolves the issue without needing support. To clear cache and data, start by going to your phone's settings. Navigate to the Apps section to find the Cash App. Once in the app list, locate Cash App and select it to access its storage options. From there, clear both the cache and data. This removes temporary files and app data that could be corrupted. After clearing, you may need to log back into the app. This solution often reduces error rates by removing problematic data. Check your Cash App settings for any flags or notifications regarding your account status. Look for any prompts to verify your identity, link a bank account, or provide additional information. Cash App uses advanced AI-driven fraud detection to protect users from scams and unauthorized transactions. While this technology is highly effective at preventing fraud, it can occasionally flag legitimate activities as suspicious, resulting in false positives that trigger 403 forbidden errors. When this happens, users may see a 403 forbidden error when trying to access certain features. The error rate from such false positives is significant, but can be reduced through proper verification. If you believe your account has been incorrectly flagged, the solution is to contact Cash App support directly to appeal the AI's decision. Support can review your case and resolve the issue, often reducing the error rate for affected users. Cash App's latest updates include automatic error resolution prompts that appear when a 403 error occurs. These prompts are designed to guide users through the necessary steps to fix the issue automatically, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. By following these automatic prompts, users can often resolve the error quickly. This feature helps decrease the overall error rate from the initial 0.5% down to much lower levels as more users benefit from these guided fixes. A user in California encountered a 403 forbidden error while trying to access Cash App features. The cause was a shadow ban from a previous scam report, triggering automatic access denial. The solution involved contacting Cash App support and submitting ID for re-verification. After waiting 48 hours, the issue was resolved. This case highlights the importance of proactive account monitoring to prevent and resolve such access issues. Block plans to deploy machine learning for predictive error prevention, potentially reducing 403 incidents significantly. This includes real-time session monitoring to avoid forbidden blocks. Stricter Know Your Customer laws are increasing regulatory pressures on financial platforms like Cash App. These enhanced verification requirements can lead to more 403 forbidden errors when users attempt transactions without proper account validation. As shown in this automation process diagram, KYC involves multiple verification steps, including customer data setup, validation, screening, and ongoing monitoring. Each step must be completed to avoid access restrictions. When verification fails, users encounter the 403 forbidden error, as illustrated in this example. The error prevents access to payment features until compliance issues are resolved. Fortunately, this trend is expected to stabilize as compliance technology matures. Advanced automation and AI will streamline verification processes, reducing error rates over time.